Hey everyone, are you a content creator, a small business owner, or maker looking for a design tools that powerful, easy to use, and won't break the bank? Meet VistaCreate, your all-in-all graphics design solution available on App Store. Why you choose VistaCreate? VistaCreate, formerly known as Krilo, is a user-friendly design tool perfect for creating professional visuals for social media, marketing, and more. Whether you're making post, ads, video, or presentation, VistaCreate offers all the tools you need to bring your ideas to life. With over 75,000 plus template accesses to millions of royalty-free images and easy drag and drop editor, VistaCreate makes designing effortless even for beginners. It's like having a professional design studios at your fingerprint. Here's need animation? No problem. VistaCreate supports animated posts and videos to make your content stand out. Want to remove background instantly? Vista creates built-in background remover in just a click away. It's even come with a brand kit feature, so you can save your logos, fonts, and color for consistent branding. Here you can see social media, Instagram post vertical, Instagram story, Instagram video story, Instagram reels, and so on. And here you can see Facebook post, YouTube channel art, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube intro, and here you can see newer design, invitation card, gift card, ebook, video full HD, and here you can see and others, podcast cover, Instagram post vertical, square video post, and so on. Here you can see template, what you need, square video, Instagram video, and here so on. And also, do you want to comparison with Canva? Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, Canva. While Canva is a great tool, VistaCreate holds its ground by offering competitive features at a much lower cost. For example, VistaCreate's premium plan includes unlimited downloads and animated content, something Canva restricts unless you pay for their higher tier plan. And here's the best part, VistaCreate is available on AppSumo with a lifetime deal. No subscription, no monthly fee, just unlimited access to everything VistaCreate has to offer. While Canva Pro costs $120 per annually, but VistaCreate is available for a one-time payment on AppSumo for just $89. That's a fraction of the price for premium feature, making it an unbeatable deal. VistaCreate use 200k plus template and 70 million plus royalty free asset to design cool graphics for your brand. Just $89, not on 20. It's alternative to Canva. Best for content creator, marketer, small businesses, and it also integrated with API, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest. Expert designing editing tools remove background in a second from any image in. Replace background with images or leave them transparent. Turn image into sticker, tweak the sizing and change the text on your design. Plan and feature. Lifetime access to VistaCreate. All features proof plan update. If plan name change, deal will be mapped to the new plan name with all accompanying update. You must redeem your code within 60 days of purchase. Please note the deal is not stackable. GDPR compliant, available for new and existing VistaCreate user. Now I'll tell you some reviews. Leo told very happy with them, and also you can see someone said a very solid alternative to Canva, and also another one of my favorite AppSumo purchasers, and here is on go to land or the coast, and another one terrific alternative to Canva.